Welcome to the CSV Mailbox Import Guide for ZenInbox. This walkthrough will help you seamlessly add multiple mailboxes using a CSV file. First, navigate to the Mailboxes section in ZenInbox. This is where all your existing mailboxes are displayed. To begin, click on the Add Mailboxes button located at the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Import from CSV. This will open the CSV import interface. A sample CSV file is available for your reference if needed. It provides the exact format required for your mailbox data, including fields like name, email, IMAP host, IMAP port, and more. Drag and drop your prepared CSV file into the upload box or use the Choose CSV File option. After uploading, you will see your file listed with its name and size. Click Next to proceed to the mapping step. In this step, map the columns in your CSV file to the corresponding fields required by ZenInbox. For instance, assign your email column to the email field, IMAP username to the username field, and so on. Map all attributes. Ensure all fields are mapped correctly to avoid errors. Once mapping is complete, click Save to confirm. The system will validate the data and import the mailboxes accordingly. If there are any errors, you'll be prompted to correct them before proceeding. Congratulations! You've successfully imported multiple mailboxes using a CSV file. This streamlined process saves time and ensures accurate mailbox management. Get started with efficient email handling in ZenInbox today.